We are a blended family from North Alabama. We've got our kids grown and they're out on their own, doing their own thing.
Yeah, they have one daughter who will be at home, but for just one more year.
I'm homeschooling her and she's in her junior year now, and then she's out of there. I want a house with a big screened-in front porch where I can take naps and read books and drink coffee in the mornings.
I've always wanted the master suite. Neither one of us ever had a house with 2 bathrooms. I moved in with 3 women. Never in the bathroom, never time to get in the bathroom.
Their budget is $200,000, which I think is
Totally reasonable.
totally reasonable.
Let's step over to the street so we can look at the Jones house. Danielle and Victor Jones lived here about 15 years, and he owned and operated Jones Sales and Service, which was a tractor store.
That's awesome.
It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It's 1,800 square feet, and it's listed for $105,000.
What do you think?
I really like the porch.
It's a great porch.
Yeah.
The yard could use some work.
It hasn't been loved in a while.
Yeah,
It's been vacant for a
for a
while.
little bit.
Okay, so what if,
Oh, wow.
yeah.
That is really pretty.
Yeah, I think the idea of screening in the porch, because I know how much you want a screen porch, then we could add double doors so it would be more of a grand entrance because it's such a big stairway.
Yeah.
You went with a very craftsman palette, very earth inspired. So the color of red clay and a deep forest green.
Kind of like the white. Really?
You like the white?
I like the white.
That's no problem. We can totally keep it, and I can come up with some different trim options that work better with the white on a craftsman home.
I like that a lot.
Yeah.
Come on in. I'm gonna ring the doorbell here just to let everybody
Isn't that
know
cool?
we're coming. Look at it on this side.
That's so cool.
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
I just love that. It's a really big room.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, I love those
I
bookcases.
saw the bookcases, and I know you're an avid reader,
Yes,
so you need
yes.
lots of book storage, right?
Yeah.
The doors are all in great shape. Wouldn't have to
Oh,
replace
wow.
anything. And the fireplace, the brass insert, we could pull out and then put a very craftsman tile in that inset area.
I love that. I really like the floors.
They need a little refinish, but they're in awesome shape. And these Super 70 curtains.
Those add a really special touch.
I could probably make some pants out of these.
The dining room is great. I think it's just paint, a light fixture, and it's good. But the kitchen is,
It looks very white and cold and kind of creepy, like a 50s asylum that's been neglected. And I want a cozy, warm, welcoming kitchen. This room is huge.
yeah.
I apparently had a friend here. Yeah.
I think a bird's been in the house recently. Okay, this is the bathroom. Go take
Yep.
a peek.
It's not exactly what I had in mind when I think of a master bath.
You
We
can
can't even
stand there.
stand in here at the same time.
Not that we would do that.
They're asking $105,000 for the house. All that we've talked about doing, it would be about $85,000. So all in, you'd be at $190,000 for the Jones house.
Pretty good.
Does that sound
real
like it
good.
works?
Yeah.
Because we're not gonna paint the whole exterior, just touching up the trim,
Yeah.
saving
Yeah.
about 10 grand there.
Love saving money.
Yeah.
Love saving money.
The Albred House.
It kind of reminds me of my granny's house. That porch is what reminds me.
I
Yeah.
thought you might love this house because of the porch.
Yeah, the porch is exactly what I love about it.
The house is 4 bedrooms, it's 2 baths, 2,200 square feet, and they're only asking $79,000 for it.
Oh,
Okay?
well.
Use a little work.
I don't want you to be intimidated by the state it's in right now because it could be so beautiful.
Oh, wow. I love that.
To paint it kind of like lemon meringue pie
Yes.
yellow and touched up the screens, made sure they're all repaired, but then added some detailing in the trim work. Take that metal screen off the screen door and then update all the landscaping. It'd be gorgeous.
This would be so pretty. Wow, you can feel the history here.
Yeah. It just feels so old.
Feel the history when you try to shut the door.
Yeah, it sticks a little. I think in this room, the real standout is that mantel.
Yes.
Beautiful. I mean, that is such craftsmanship. I just wish there was a fireplace inside. Over here, you've got a formal dining room. It's all pink. I would probably want to paint all that. But the kitchen, this has been renovated since 1901.
This is a lot of
Paneling.
Yes.
On the doors, on the walls.
There's some wood, and then there's some I want to be wood.
Uh-huh.
And the layout seems funny.
It's all the doors.
Yes, that's what it is. Wow.
More pink.
Pink! Pink! These ceilings go on forever.
And this is like 14 or 15 feet.
I think we just turned this into a gym instead of a
gymnasium.
bedroom. Yeah, put a basketball goal in here and
I'd be down
just
with
have
it.
at it.
Got a great reading light for you.
Yeah.
Subtle, shouldn't keep you awake if she wants to read.
They've got the house listed for $79,000. All this work would come in around $121,000, $200,000 purchase and renovation for the Albred House.
Yeah.
So we picked the Jones house.
The Jones house?
Yeah.
Oh, man!
I love the big front porch.
I like the master suite.
And just being so close to downtown
Yeah.
was a huge
I look
factor.
forward to walking everywhere instead of...
There you go.
Congrats! That's so great, y'all.
All right, let's get started. The main focus of work is in the kitchen.
There's just so much tile. It's everywhere. It's on the walls, it's on the floor, and none of it is staying.
Here's the thing about a screened-in porch. It is basically a room without air conditioning, but you have to frame it up like a room. So we have to build walls that then, instead of putting siding, we're just gonna put screens up. Why are you being so weird about this
I'm
towel?
not being weird about it. I'm just excited to show you.
Okay.
It's going in the shower. Okay, look.
Ooh. Looks like 1920s linoleum.
Yes, this house is from the 20s, and I thought this would be such an appropriate tile.
I wonder if it should open in.
Yeah, definitely. Easier and safer on the steps.
Yeah.
Countertops are here. Countertops are a glossy white quartz, very neutral. We want the hutch to be the star of the kitchen, so the countertop shouldn't compete with a dark, heavy color.
The Thornton's house, we reached a tipping point and it
Tipped.
took off.
This house was giving us a run for the money. But now we're okay.
How about that?
I believe she'll fit.
Jason, he has back problems and he has to take a bath every night. I'm thinking that you need to start taking more showers. And
So
I need
you
to
can
take-
have the tub. It's my domain. Except for when he tries to make me claustrophobic and get in the tub, like, on me. And
Listen.
I'm like, oh, God, I'm smothering. Help.
Oh my gosh, it's perfect.
Okay, go ahead, let it out.
Thank you.
You're welcome. The only thing that we really wanted to focus on was simplifying some of the color palette that was there
Yeah.
and adding in more white.
Yeah.
Because I know you wanted it to be white.
Yeah, it's perfect. It is so perfect. Oh, that porch is absolutely everything.
You have a super cool ceiling fan.
Oh, I love that.
So it can actually be like an outdoor living room. You've got
Yes.
circulating air, but no bugs can get in.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to be sitting out there drinking a cup of coffee. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Jason, it's perfect. Oh, this is everything. This is so much better than I could have ever imagined.
Well, my plan was to make all the colors in the house the Brandy version of Craftsman style. But it still feels appropriate for this house, for the architecture, but most of all, it feels like you.
It does. It
the goal.
definitely does.
Look at that chair.
Ben built that for you.
This is the best chair ever.
It's a book reading chair.
This is the perfect book reading chair. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is our kitchen? Like, is this ours?
This is yours.
This is it.
Might be.
It's so warm and inviting and cozy, and I just love it.
Your sterile white is totally gone. In
It's
its
gone.
place is a hand-glazed artisan
That is
white
the
tile.
prettiest. I think it's just beautiful.
Everyone's a little bit different.
And I love that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness gracious. Is this
Will this
our
work?
room? Oh my gosh. I cannot believe this is ours. I love it. I am in love with it.
It still looks huge too.
The room was a little bit bigger, Before we started, we took in just a little bit of the room and we took away a tiny closet and you lost one window. But we had to do that in order to give you one huge master bath and closet.
Oh my gosh,
Yes.
this is amazing. I love it, I love it, I love it. This is perfect. Oh my gosh, that is the coolest tile I've ever seen.
In the 1920s, people used a lot of linoleum tile that looked like this, that had patterns like this. And a
Huge closet.
Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, this makes me so happy.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Look at there. Are you happy now?
Yeah, that'll work. Y'all,
All right.
see y'all later.
Okay.